My name is Alex, and today we are at, well, actually tonight, we are at Marvel's Heroes Assemble at DCA, second night of the event, and we're about to check in. I'm gonna start it now because there's like early stuff right there. I guess some free swag we get to pick up.
It's in the park.
Sweet. Okay. Thank you. So right when you check in, you get these humongous lanyards to show that you're a part of the party, and these cool sparkly wristbands, and some park maps. Thank you. Ooh, these are hard too, like nice paper stock. Wow. Alright. And to top it off, we get Avengers Endgame trading cards. That's awesome. Okay, we're in the park. It is still open in general admission until 9 o'clock. Right now it's just about like 7:20. So we're gonna go get some dinner before the party starts, and then we're just gonna go party the night away with full stomachs. I love this though. This is really cool. I just saw Endgame, you guys. It is such a good movie. I've seen it twice so far. It is amazing. You have to go see it. So right here is the Heroes Assemble map right here, and it's also like a key because it shows you, oh, and right here also is a cool little scavenger hunt you can do. You have to go around in the park and find these different items and objects with these clues, which is actually kind of cool. It's a great way to have you go around the park and totally see everything because I made up a special map showing you all the special photo ops, food locations, annual pass holder areas, and live entertainment, which is actually really cool. There's like one here, like 3 over here, all the rides, all the shops, everything is open in the park for 3 hours from 9 to 12.
1.
Or 9 to 1, really? Oh, for 4 hours. Well, heck, you got an extra hour of fun. And also, with this map, you can just see, oh, where do I want to go? What do I want to try? And it shows you, like, for instance, Paradise Gardens Park. There's dining right here that you can look at, shopping, attractions, picks up here, etc., etc. And a legend down here. And right here is Avengers Endgame trading cards. Here's, for instance, what it looks like. Clint Barton, Hawkeye, and then just a little blurb about him. Guys, Hawkeye, oh boy, kicks butt in Endgame, you guys. So to kill some time, we are just gonna go around the park and do some of the scavenger hunts. I'm just walking around, I'm already seeing people with this on, oh, it's a car. Okay, we are in Bing Bong's shop, sweet shop right now, looking for one of the clues on the scavenger hunt. And you have to find one of these lollipops, and there's a letter by it. Let's look over here. Okay, we found a letter. Letter E. We just ran into a person that's gonna be at this event, and he already finished like the entire scavenger hunt. And we've like, it's been like, what, an hour? And we found one in like 30 minutes. Oh, whoa. I think this is Doctor Strange's, I think this is the Sanctor Sectum. One that Hulk crashes through in Infinity War. We are by Grizzly River Run right now, looking for another clue. It's quite dark, so I can't read it all that well. I think it's over here somewhere. There's an outfit right there. Look at that, a superhero. Ah, I'll show you guys more outfits. But this is fun. It's a great way to get around the park, and then once you're looking for these scavenger hunts, these pieces, these letters, you like find a character you want to take a picture with, or maybe some food. So Disney is just, they think it out, man. They're so smart. So this is cool, like in the movies and in the parks, you have to go all around to get the stones like Thanos did in Avengers Infinity War, and now in the parks you can go around and get all the different colored stone, power stone churros. So like you're collecting it for your Infinity Gauntlet, which is actually just your stomach. Here's one of the more interactive pieces of the event, Avengers Assemble, which I believe is an interactive photo op. Now they have 2 interactive photo ops here. One is the Avengers Assemble that we just saw, and the other is the Hulk Smash, which I think is basically, it's a backdrop you stand in front of, and then there's like another piece of the image in front of you, so it looks like 3D. They had it during the 60th all over the park, so it's really cool they're bringing it for this event too. Okay, this is a total bonus of the event, is that open walking space, and they're just blasting Avengers theme right now. Heck yeah. Loki, you're looking good! We got some dedicated cosplayers over there. They look like actual actors here at Disneyland. Wow. So we've assembled over here to watch Iron Man come out on stage for his first, well, I guess technically US appearance. And there's a line that starts way back over there, and the cast member said, and I kid you not, it's gonna be at least 3 hours longer than the Iron Man, which is the entire party. So here's the main cluster of the line, and it wraps back and forth, mind you. Oh my gosh. And I think it's back here somewhere is the entrance. Yeah, I think the entrance of the line's back here, and then it just weaves. Oh, she's Squirrel Girl. That's awesome. Great outfit. Well, something's happening. It's loud. Oh, man. All right.
Okay, everyone, picture time.
Whoa, that's cool. There he is, Tony Stark, the man, the myth, the legend, meeting people. The line is 3 hours long, apparently. This is insane. Oh, with that, the party has officially started. So we have Iron Man right over here, and then right across the street is Captain Marvel. We have Yondu right here, and then like the 5th Captain Marvel I've seen, but that's a cool Yondu outfit. Even like her head glows. Just the I Am donut. It's basically a maple bar with maple inside of it, maple on top, and then pretzels and bacon on top to combat the sweetness. That's awesome. Thor over there. That's awesome. Great costume. And then donut again. I Am donut. Everyone's just swarming over to the donut now. Whoa. It's good. It looks really good. It's a croissant donut. There's Chip and Dale dressed up like Loki and Thor, and they're kind of arguing right now. I didn't know the characters were actually going to dress up too. That is so cute. And here's an interactive photo op where they have Falcon's wings on the wall right there, and you can stand in front of them and it looks like you're Falcon. You're just flying around. And you got Spidey over here meeting all of his fans. He's so energetic. That's so awesome. Love that, man. Max, you still need to tell me his secret, dude. I'm waiting. You're gonna have, no, 2 years later and I'm still waiting for that secret. Right here, we're gonna check in to the Blue Sky Cellar for an AP only area, and you can get a commemorative button. Okay, we just did the photo op. The photos are going right now. Right now. That was so cool. So this is cool. People, a part of the event, get like a little private water show with just different colors of America, which is the greatest colors in the world. Oh, look at Rocket. You go, man. All right. That's cool. These guys are dedicated Guardians fans. They just painted themselves pink. That's really cool. This long line right here is all to meet the doctor himself. This doctor right here, he looks like Benedict Cumberbatch. It's pretty cool. It's going good. Good for you, doctor. You're doing great, man. Right here in Paradise Gardens is Mighty Thor, son of Odin, king of Asgard. That's awesome. He looks so cool. Well, we've made our way into the Redwood Creek Challenge to go see Black Panther. Oh my gosh. It's a crowd interaction. That's so cool. How you doing?
Well, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Just good, not great.
Oh no, I mean I'm having a great night.
No, I don't believe you. You are good.
Well, I mean, good can mean many things.
I suppose, but it doesn't mean great. It doesn't mean super.
I guess. Well, I am having a great night though.
Wonderful. I'm glad. So what brings you here today?
Well, we really want to see the King of Wakanda, T'Challa.
I'm glad you're in the right place.
Yeah, I know. I'm glad you're here. You're protecting us. You know, if anything happens, you know, if Thanos comes around, Thanos, you know. Oh, I shouldn't have said his name, should I? All right. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, what's happening? Wow. Dedication. Oh, my king. I'm at your service. How you guys doing tonight?
What is your name?
Oh, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Hey, I love you and your movies. You're just amazing. Or documentaries, I should say. You guys are great. Thank you for your service. We got Captain America right here. And I think she's dressed as Peggy Carter, which is really cool, like Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I love Cap. He's my favorite. Great man. Cool photo op, too. Yeah, I need the monorail. I think it's going up for the night. It's going by very slow, though. Usually, throughout the day, oh, it never stops here. Oh, wow, this is a rare shot. Right here is the blackberry flavored grape stone churro with purple rock candy on top. We also saw the lemon flavored Soul Stone right next to the Poultry Palace on Pixar Pier. I think it's 3 Infinity Stone. Infinity Stone. Oh, it's been a long day. I've been forgetting about this. Infinity Stone churros that we've seen. It is 12:50. The party is almost over. It's been so much fun. I'm just gonna take in the last few moments, and there are people still lined up for like 30 minutes, even hours more to wait these characters. I couldn't even imagine what Iron Man looks like right now. I bet there's like a 2-hour wait still. It's just to meet him. There's Mickey and Minnie dressed up like Captain America and Minnie dressed up like... I don't know who she's supposed to be, but they're both looking very sharp and very nice. Oh gosh, that is just genius. Great Endgame. Well, we just exited DCA, looking over the empty Esplanade. You can see they closed Disneyland Park, but it'll be open soon. And folks will be there tomorrow. Well, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for coming along with the Marvels Heroes Assemble Disneyland After Dark party. It was a blast. I had so much fun. We saw so much. We ate some great food. I tried my best being descriptive about it. We rode on some awesome rides. There's no wait. If you guys ever get the chance to go to any Disney After Dark party, please do it. I know it's expensive. It's a separate ticketed item, but there's nobody usually in the parks. Always a walk-on for rides. Great special events, snacks, photo ops, meet and greets. It's awesome. You can meet Black Panther. Well, maybe not for the next parties, but for this party. So if you guys liked it, remember to subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends. Follow me on Instagram at Disney's Treasure, and I'll see you all tomorrow in Disneyland and in the next video.